Adobe Premiere Pro is a video editing software that can be used to create a wide range of video projects. Some of the things you can do with Adobe Premiere Pro include, if you want to learn, you can find lessons on his channel. 1. Film and video editing. You can use Adobe Premiere Pro to edit footage from film and video cameras, as well as footage from other sources such as smartphones and drones. The software includes tools for cutting, trimming, and adjusting the timing of footage, as well as tools for adding transitions, effects, and sound. One, color correction and color grading. You can use Adobe Premiere Pro to adjust the color and lighting of your footage, including color correction and color grading. The software includes tools for adjusting color balance, saturation, and contrast, as well as tools for creating color looks and stylized color effects.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow.
3. Audio editing and mixing. Adobe Premiere Pro includes tools for editing and mixing audio, including the ability to adjust audio levels, add effects and transitions, and synchronize audio with video. For motion graphics and visual effects, you can use Adobe Premiere Pro to create motion graphics and visual effects such as titles, lower thirds, and compositing multiple layers of video together. The software includes tools for creating and animating keyframe-based animations and motion graphics, as well as tools for compositing and masking video layers. Five, export and share videos. Once your video project is complete, Adobe Premiere Pro allows you to export and share your videos in a variety of formats, including popular video file formats, video for the web, and even virtual reality. Five, multicam editing. Adobe Premiere Pro allows you to edit footage from multiple cameras or angles simultaneously, making it easy to cut together different perspectives and create engaging, dynamic videos.
All of these are available on the channel. You can subscribe and watch my channel, and don't forget to like for free. IAM X Manager.